Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, Vegetarian Backpacker. Today we're gonna unbox now one but two Jordan 1 sneakers, and Jordan 1 is by far my favorite sneaker of all time. Back in my country, we didn't have Jordans. We had Nike and like every other thing to kick it, but for some reason we never had Jordans, so I could never get my hands on them. But I think now, out of these two, one of them is gonna be my first Jordan 1s. I'll probably have to return one of them. I think I've kind of made my decision, but you guys can help me out too. So on one side I have the Jordan Fearless Zoom, and the other would be the Jordan Bloodline. They're both Jordan 1s, they're both highs, and let's get right into it. To be honest, I have no idea which one's which, so okay, these are the Bloodline, so let me show these to you real quick. They're really good in terms of the coloring. These kind of go with everything because they have black, white and red. The Bloodline, of course, is because of the red lines across the Nike swoosh and I think everywhere else. And they do come with extra pair of laces, which are the black and the white ones. And you have the red ones. I think the red ones go the best, but you can mix and match. So let me put them up right here. We'll go through the sneakers once I get these one out of the box as well. So these are, I think, the ones I am gonna go for. These are, I don't know if you can see the light shine on it, but these are the Fearless Zoom, and they have an iridescent upper. That means based on how the light shines on them, they'll give out a different vibe. And I think originally they come in black laces, and you can have, wait, I think green ones, and pretty strange. Usually you have two pair of laces, but apparently I can't find any, or maybe they did not give me any. I'm not too sure how it works. But anyway, so let's get with the Bloodline. These, I think, kind of bombed on the market. You can still find them. Usually Jordan 1s, they have so much hype. Whenever they come out, they get instantly sold out. But these ones, you can still find them, which is pretty strange. To be fair, I think I know why it didn't get sold out, because of I think a lot of those black and white Jordan 1s that have come out recently, and I think a lot of Jordan 1s in itself have come out recently, and I think people can only buy, limited ones. So these are kind of like a general release. There were a lot of pairs, and you can still find them on the market. They're actually pretty dope. So if you've never owned Jordan 1s, or if you're looking for something that goes with your denim or any kind of casual attire, I think these go really well because of the colors. And also, one thing I want to point out, the leather is, I don't know if you can make it from the camera as well, but the leather is really good. Like the other Jordan 1s that I've seen in the store, or like in the past year as well, that I've gotten my hands on, the leather is not always the best, but these one have really good leather quality on them. And there's not much going on. You have the normal Nike Air swoosh, and you have the Wingman logo right about here, but all in all, I think they have red soles, but they're pretty bland, and that's what I think makes them really good. It's one of those everyday sneakers that can go with everything. Coming on to, whoops, box is gonna break. Don't want. Coming on to the Fearless Zoom, these again have an iridescent upper. Let me just get my cell phone out. Maybe if I try and put some flash on it, and you guys could see the light better. I'm not sure if this still helps. But I think, like, if you go in the sun, I'll put a picture up definitely that you can see the different colors. So on the offset, they're black, but actually if you look closely, they're really like deep purple. But I think from afar you would not make it out as like a deep purple. They're kind of black. Apart from the iridescent leather, which is really cool, what I wanted to say was these, again, I don't know if you can say by the video, but the leather here is really stiff. So what that would mean is they would get creased up really fast. Like I just try to press here and you can see a little bit of crease developing as well, and I haven't even worn them. So it's not the best thing, but this is what you get with the 3M coating, right? So the 3M coating above it, that's what gives it the shine and the iridescent look. I think once the color hits, you'll get colors like purple, red, and green. I think those are the 3 colors, depending on how the light hits them. They're pretty cool, you know. At first I thought it's kind of gimmicky and, you know, it probably looks stupid if you go out wearing these, but I tried them on in the store and they look pretty amazing. I think with the right outfit you could definitely pair this up with a lot of things, because of what it looks like originally, right? It's kind of black and deep purple. So I think if you're going clubbing as well, whenever the light hits it, I think these would look really cool. And the sole is also purple, and the best part is it has a full zoom unit. So I think usually Jordan 1, sorry, do not have, or any Jordan as a matter of fact, I guess, do not have the zoom units. I think these are the first Jordan 1s to have a full zoom unit in it. What that means is these are going to be really comfortable when you wear them, more comfortable than your average Jordan 1s. But I think if you had to choose, it depends. So for me, being a first sneaker, I don't mind if they get creased a little, and I don't mind if they don't last too much, because I wanted something cool. I've never owned like iridescent shoes. Like I've never owned Yeezys, which are reflective. So I've never had those reflective kind of shoes. So I think that's what I love about them. I know they're gonna crease, and I know they're gonna, like, the leather's gonna crack in a while, but I think I'll take that risk. But I think if you're looking for that one sneaker and you don't have the money to, say, buy a lot, or you don't have say money to buy a lot of different kicks, then I would say go with these. You can still find them. You don't have to pay over retail on StockX or somewhere else. You can just get them at retail, and these pair really well. The leather quality is amazing. The laces also work really well with these, because the upper are three colors. But I think, in my opinion, if you want something cool, if you wanted something which is different out there, I would go with these. I think on these as well, there's this number which I have no idea is about. Like, I've tried searching on Google what these numbers stand for, and I have no ideas. I've not got anything else. Maybe it's like a code that you need to figure out, and you can if you figure out the code, you probably can contact the Nike president and get a job there and design your own kicks. I'm not sure, but I've tried searching for it. I'm sorry, I couldn't find it anywhere, but I think they also have the same Nike Zoom here. They have the Wingman logo. They just have a little bit of the Zoom and the Fear branding about here. You can remove these. I'm not gonna wear them. Keeping these. These can be removed. But all in all, they're really good. I would want to, like, take them outside and take some shots. Unfortunately, at this moment in time, there's so much snow in Canada outside. I am not going to wear my leather shoes, especially the ones that are going to crack outside in the snow. It's a shame. So this is how they would look in the foot. I'm trying to take some footage in the room itself, but for you guys to see. As I said, there's a lot of snow outside. Oh, and I found the other lace, which is the red one. It's kind of in the shoe. So yeah, you get two pairs of laces with the Furlough Zoom. It's the green and the red. But I definitely would prefer the black ones. I haven't laced them on entirely. But I hope you guys like them. And here are the Bloodlines. Again, have to lace them up, or probably gonna return them, but you can have a look of what they look like. But they're pretty cool in terms of having one sneaker that probably goes with a lot of your attire, and they're really cool. Like, if I had the money, I would probably get, like, both of them, but unfortunately in 1 month I'm not gonna afford 2 Jordan 1s. But I hope you like the video as well. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, and on these sneakers, and which one would you prefer, and which one do you like, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please like. That really helps and it goes a long way. But thank you so much for watching.